Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we are going to be looking at Fortnight by Taylor Swift, featuring Post Malone, lead track from the Tortured Poets department. First, we'll take a look at the individual chords and how they go in one hand, all the chords for the song. Then we'll look at the progressions of chords that make up the biggest chunks of the song. And then we'll walk through the whole song in time. Let's get going. This song starts in B major. So we'll start on B and build that first B major chord as a B, D sharp, F sharp. B major, B, D sharp, F sharp. That'll come back. We immediately want to take that first chord, and then to get into the first verse, we're going to add an E root with that B chord. That'll be spelled B/E, meaning B chord, /E, meaning E root. That's our first kind of complex sound to this piece. Let's now look at an F sharp chord. Starting on F sharp, give me A sharp, C sharp. We get a nice F sharp chord. Next, we're going to look at a D sharp minor chord. Starting on D sharp, give me D sharp, F sharp, A sharp. Then we need a G sharp minor. Give me G sharp, B, D sharp, G sharp, B, D sharp. And that is all of our chords in this song. We'll just play around with some roots some other times. That B chord that we start on, it could also have a D sharp root. So we'd spell that B/D sharp. Just like we had that B/E. And sometimes that B chord will just be by itself. B, D sharp, F sharp. Let's look at this main progression and pattern. It's kind of long, but it has a lot of repetition, as you'll see, just with some subtle variations. We'll start with a B chord over the E root. E, B, D sharp, F sharp. Then to an F sharp major chord. To our D sharp minor. Then to that G sharp minor. Back to the B over E. F sharp comes second again. Third chord's different, B major. G sharp minor. Then the B over E again. It's like we're restarting. F sharp. It's always the second chord. This third one just keeps changing. Now it's a B over D sharp. Third chord is again G sharp minor. Then it's gonna go back to a B over E. F sharp. B major. G sharp minor. Gonna start again. Combinations of that for all the way through the verses, the choruses, the bridge, the outro, following that pattern. Let's try it in two hands. My left hand will be playing the roots. So if we have a slash chord, my left hand will be playing that note after the slash is the root. Otherwise, it'll just be playing the chord's name, and the left hand is the root. So like an F sharp chord, I'm gonna play an F sharp root. And my left hand, just one note. Nothing big, but adding nice texture. All right, we start on a B for 4 beats, and then go right to that E with the root to start verse 1. Start on a B major, 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, E. F sharp, D sharp minor, G sharp minor, B over E, F sharp, B major, G sharp minor, getting the pattern. B over D sharp, G sharp, restarts with the B over E, F sharp, B, G sharp minor, B over E, B over F sharp, B, G sharp minor. Verse 2, February. Think ahead, ready, B over E. It's ruining my life. B with a D sharp. I touched you for only a fortnight. Chorus ready, restart. Good neighbors, your wife waters flowers. I wanna kill her, and for a fortnight. D sharp root. Husband's cheating, I wanna kill him. Bridge. I love you, it's one of my life. Touch you. Breaking the chords up, same notes. Going on, still the bridge. D sharp root, G sharp minor, B, G sharp outro, but you won't pick up D sharp and America, move to Florida, but it won't start up till you touch, let it go. B over E, F sharp. One more time, B over E, goes to F sharp every time. B, till I touch you. Awesome job. Keep going over that again with me to get better and better. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.